Welcome to Inner Harmony. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of mindfulness, a simple yet powerful practice that helps us reconnect with ourselves, calm our minds, and find peace in the present moment. In today's video, we'll explore what mindfulness is, why it can be such a transformative practice, and how even a few minutes a day can bring real benefits to your life, like reduced stress, improved focus, and a deeper sense of inner calm. Whether you're new to mindfulness or looking to deepen your practice, we'll cover some simple techniques to get you started, so you can begin to experience more balance, clarity, and joy. So, find a comfortable space, take a deep breath, and let's journey into mindfulness together. Thank you for joining us on Inner Harmony. Let's begin. Did you know that our attention span has shrunk to just 8 seconds? That's even shorter than a goldfish. In today's hyper-connected world, staying focused has become harder than ever. But here's the thing, mindfulness might be the key to taking back control. Mindfulness, a simple practice that's quickly gaining popularity. By bringing attention to the present moment, mindfulness not only helps us focus, but can also boost productivity. Today, we're diving into how you can use mindfulness techniques to stay on track, no matter how chaotic life gets. Let's face it, staying focused isn't easy these days. Our screens are buzzing with notifications, emails pile up, and social media lures us in with endless content. This constant stream of information is overwhelming, leaving our minds scattered and our productivity in a constant dip. And it's not just technology, work pressure, personal commitments, and daily responsibilities all contribute to a lack of focus. Mindfulness isn't as complicated as it sounds. At its core, it's all about grounding ourselves in the present. Here are a few techniques to help you start. Focused breathing. Taking a few minutes each day to slow down and concentrate on your breath can work wonders for your attention. Just inhale slowly. Hold it. Then exhale gently. Studies show that even 5 minutes of mindful breathing can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Meditation. Another technique is meditation. Now, this doesn't have to mean sitting cross-legged for hours. Even a short, guided meditation session each morning can improve your ability to concentrate. Start with just 5 minutes daily and gradually increase it. Mindful moments. Finally, try weaving mindful moments into your day, whether it's paying attention to the taste of your morning coffee or taking a few seconds to look away from your screen and just breathe. These small pauses help break up the cycle of distraction. Let me share something personal. A friend of mine, someone who used to get overwhelmed at work, started incorporating just 10 minutes of mindfulness into his day. Within a month, he noticed a huge difference. Not only was he able to stay focused longer, but his stress levels were lower. And he's not alone. Research from Harvard has shown that regular mindfulness practice can physically change the brain, enhancing areas responsible for memory and focus. So, here's the takeaway. By adding mindful moments to your day, you can improve your focus, reduce stress, and ultimately, get more done. It doesn't take hours, just a few minutes can make a big difference. I'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with mindfulness in the comments. What works for you, and what doesn't. And if you're interested in more ways to boost your productivity, check out our next video on practical tips to stay on track. See you there.